Okay, children, I think we can start. Okay, be writing the test paper. Okay, right now. Take the paper and get ready. Just 10 marks out of 10 marks. Okay, write the question first. I'll dictate the questions. Write the question. After that, just 10 minutes. First, you write the questions. So, write the first one. Give the sample space. Give the sample space associated with the give the sample space associated with the number of accidents in a year, number of accidents in a year along a busy highway. Along a busy highway is 1 mark. Second one, P of A is 0.35. P of A intersection D is equal to 0.25. P of A union B is equal to 0.6. Find P of B and P of A union B the whole bar. So again 2 marks. Third one, a group of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. What is the probability? What is the probability that the selected committee? What is the probability that the selected committee will have option A, no man, B, 1 man, C, 2 men. Here it is 3 marks. Next, fourth one. A and B appeared for an exam. A and B appeared for an exam. Probability of A qualifying the exam is, probability of A qualifying the exam is 0.05 and B will qualify is 0.10. B will qualify is 0.10. The probability that both will qualify The probability that both will qualify is 0.02. Find first one, A and B will not qualify. A and B will not qualify. B, second one, at least one of them will not qualify. At least one of them will not qualify. At least one of them will not qualify. C, third one, only one will qualify. Only one will qualify. And this fourth question, 4 marks. So total 10 marks. 10. Hope you all copied the question. Children, you are going to write the exam. You are going to correct your paper. Be sincere and do it. Is it clear? This is just to understand what you have learned, what is your, okay? So do it sincerely. Okay, now what's the time? So what is the time? Here it is 11:45. I think 4 questions are there. 10 minutes is enough, isn't it? 10 minutes, is it okay? Start doing. So by 11:55, everyone should stop. 11:55, everyone should stop. Hope you all copied the question.
Last one.
Okay. Start doing this 10 minutes. Do it sincerely. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Is it over? Finished? Yes? Yes or no? Tell me, children. Over? Yes or no? No. Those who didn't finish, just raise your hands and show it. Didn't finish. Okay, then 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock you should stop. 12 o'clock. Sharp 12 o'clock. Just 4 more minutes. Make it fast. Yes, Gauri, just 4 more minutes. Yes? 12. Okay. When I count 5, you have to stop. 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop writing, children. Stop writing. Okay, now take one pen or take another color pen or pencil, or if you have sketch, take it and get ready. You can assess it. You can evaluate. Okay. Take one. Okay, another color. Take it. Okay, let's check the answer. Look at the first one. What is given? First one. Give the sample space associated with the accidents in a year along a busy highway. What is the answer? We are looking the number of accidents happening in a year. So what is the answer? What will be the answer? Okay. You have to write within the set brackets number of accidents. Sometimes accidents may not happen at all. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, if it is written 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and if the set braces are not there, you reduce half a mark. If set braces are not there, reduce half a mark. Along with the set braces are there means you give 1 mark. If set braces are not there, half a mark. Is it okay? Is it clear? First one. Now second one. Second one. First, okay, you start with P of A union B. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. You apply the values here. So 0.6 is equal to 0.35 plus P of B minus 0.25. Then from here, what is P of B? P of B is okay, 0.6 plus 0.25 minus 0.35. So it is same as what is the answer, children, you got? Zero 0.6 plus minus 0.10. Is it correct? So that is same as what is P of B? Is it 0.5? Is it 0.5? Is it correct, Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now listen, children. See, for the exam, the evaluation will be like this. If you write the formula and if you substitute the values up to that half a mark. Substitution, half a mark. Then if here some mistakes are happening, means here after all these marks you will lose. Again, from here it is half a mark. The final answer, half a mark. Now what is the second part asked? P of A union B the whole bar. What is P of A union B the whole bar? It is same as 1 minus P of A union B, isn't it? Is it correct? P of A union B the whole bar is same as 1 minus P of A union B. So if you write this formula, it is half a mark. Then apply the values here. 1 minus, what is P of A union B? 0.6. So you will get 0.4. So this is how your for the exam the valuation will be done. Okay, for the steps, marks will be there. If you are not writing this, only the final answer is there means only half a marks you will get. So that minimum steps you should write. Then third one. Listen to the third question. Is it okay? Is it clear? Is it okay? Then next, third one. What is the third question? A group of 2 persons are to be selected from 2 men and 2 women. Okay, we want to select 2. So what is the total number we will get? What is the total we will get? We are going to select 2. There are 2 men and 2 women. So total number of persons is 4. So what are the total possibilities you will get? We are going to select 2 members, isn't it? So total possibility will be 4C2. Is it correct? Is it correct? This 4C2. Now what is the first part asked? Probability that it is no man. Probability of no man. Means both are women. So it is 2C2 by 4C2. 2C2 by 4C2. So what is the answer? 2C2 by 4C2. Is it 1 by 2? What is 2C2 by 4C2? 2C2 means it is 2 into 1 by 1 into 2 by 4C2 means it is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. So, is it 1 by 6? Are you getting 1 by 6, children? Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, up to this, if you substitute, it is half a mark. The final answer, half a mark. Then second one, 2 men. Is it 2 men? No, 1 man. So 1 man. So that will be same as 1 man and 1 woman you will select. So it is, okay, 2C1 into 2C1. 1 man means the other one will be women by 4C2, isn't it? 2C1 into 2C1 by 4C2. So what is the answer? So again for this, it is half a mark. Okay, this is half a mark. Then when you simplify this, you should get the answer 2 by 3. For that, again half a mark. The next one, 2 men. 2 men means again it is same as 2C2 by 4C2, similar to the first one. So it is 1 by 6. Again half plus half, 1. So total, it's a 3 mark question. Okay, it is a 3 mark question. Now, next one. Is it over, children? You all completed this one? Is it okay? Up to that, you all corrected. Emmanuel? Okay. The next. The next one. What is the next question now? A and B, 2 students, isn't it? 2 students. A and B appeared for an exam. Probability that A will qualify the exam is 0.05. It is 0.05. Probability that B will qualify the exam is 0.10. Okay, now what is asked? And probability that both will qualify. That means A intersection B is 0.10. See, if you write all these things, you can give half a mark. Is it clear? If up to the steps is there means you give half a mark. Probability that both will qualify means intersection is given. Now what is the first one asked? Both A and B will not qualify. Both A and B will not qualify means what you have to find? A and B will not qualify. That means A is also not qualifying, B is not qualifying. Okay? A is not qualifying and B is not qualifying. So that is P of A bar intersection B bar. What is A bar intersection B bar? P of A union B the whole bar. Children, up to this, if you are writing means you give half a mark. Okay, give the step marks. This is how for the exam it will be evaluated. So it is same as 1 minus P of A union B, isn't it? So what is the answer? What is P of A union B? We have to find out, isn't it? So find out what is P of A union B. Okay, how we have calculated this P of A union B, Rijas? What is P of A union B?
P of A plus P of B minus
Minus
P of A intersection
yes,
B.
correct. Yes, correct. Okay. Then you apply the values. P of A is given, P of B is given. Apply the values 0.05 plus 0.10 minus 0.02. On simplifying, what is A union B? Punya?
0.13.
0.13. So up when you find P of A union B, if your P of A union B is correct, give half a mark. If P of A union B is correct, give half a mark. Then find out what is P of A bar intersection B bar. What is P of A bar intersection B bar? So it is 1 minus 0.13, you will get 0.87. This is half a mark. So 2 marks is over. Again, 2 marks are left out. Okay, it's a 4-mark question. Is it clear? Is it okay? Up to that, are you able to correct? Is it okay, children? Now the next, the second one. In second one, what is asked? At least one of them will not qualify. At least one of them will not qualify. What is meant by at least? A will not qualify, or B will not qualify, or both will not qualify. Isn't it? Either A will not qualify, or B will not qualify, or both will not qualify. At least, okay. So probability of at least one of them will not qualify. It will be same as 1 minus probability of both will not qualify. Negation, this is the complement. So 1 minus intersection, what is the value given here? 1 minus 0.02, you get 0.98. Okay, for this, if your answer is correct, you give 1 mark. The answer is correct, you give 1 mark. Then the next one, third one, what is asked in third one? Probability that only one of them will qualify. Probability that only one of them will qualify. That means only one will qualify. That means if A gets qualified, B will not qualified, B bar. Or if A is not qualified, B will be qualified. If A gets qualified means B will not qualify. If B is qualified means A is not qualified. At least only one of them will get qualified. So what is P of A? What is the value, Atul? What is the value of P of A?
0.05.
0.5. And P of B? 0.10. Yeah, P of B bar, isn't it? What is P of B bar? P of B is given as 0.1, isn't it? So it will be P of B bar. Will it be 0.9? Again, plus P of A bar. What is P of A bar? What is P of A bar? Achut. P of A is 0.05. So what is P of A bar? This 1 minus 0.05. So what you will get?
0.95.
0.95 into P of B. P of B is given as 0.1. So simplify and find out what is the answer. Okay. So for this, again 1 mark. What is the final answer, children? What is the answer you will get? What is the answer? You multiply this. Okay. So find the total and tell me. Find the total and tell me how many of you are getting 10 on 10. Time up. Okay. Raise your hands and show it. How many of you got 10 on 10? Yes, Gayatri? No. Which one went wrong? Which one went wrong, children? 2C1 into, okay. I wrote down all the combination. Okay, that is also correct, Achyut. That is also correct. Instead of using combination, okay, it is not a one way. You can do the same question in different ways. It is correct. Okay, you are writing the combination and finding. What is the answer? What is the final answer? What is the final answer? Which last one? What is the answer you got? When you multiply this, what you will get? 0.05 into 0.09 means, is it 0.045 plus 0.095, isn't it? Add this, you'll get the answer. So, what is your, did you calculate? That is Atul. Yes, Rijas, what is your mark? Time of miss. Children, okay, so the next class, okay, next class, okay, find out the total and be ready. You can check what's your mark. Okay, children, end the session now. Okay, did anyone get full? Atul, Gauri is here. So I think the last question, okay, maybe in the last question you are losing the marks. We can discuss that one in the next period. One second. Okay, thank you.